Hello everyone, I am Bishakha Dewan. My ID is 1712998. Today I am presenting an interesting topic, and this topic is monoclonal antibodies. At first we have to know what is monoclonal antibodies. The monoclonal antibodies are the antibodies that are made by identical immune cell and that are all clones of a unique parent cell. The monoclonal antibodies have monovalent affinity, so they bind with the same epitope. The monoclonal antibodies are produced in laboratory. Here we can see a production procedure of monoclonal antibodies, and this procedure is devised by George Kohler and Cesar Milstein in 1975. This method relies on the fusion of B cell of an immunized animal, typically a mouse, with immortal myeloma cell and growing under a condition. And in this condition, the unfused cell and tumor cell cannot survive. The fused cell comes out in the form of hybridromas. Each hybridroma produces one immunoglobulin, and these are derived from B cell from an immunized animal. And these hybridromas produce many antibodies, and that are clones and screened for the antigens binding, and the single clones are detected and expanded. These single clones are known as monoclonal antibodies. Here we can see these monoclonal antibodies. Now the types of monoclonal antibodies. There are mainly three types of monoclonal antibodies. One is naked monoclonal antibodies, two conjugated monoclonal antibodies, three bispecific monoclonal antibodies. Naked monoclonal antibodies, there is no drug or agent to bind with it. The example of naked monoclonal antibodies is alemtuzumab, and two conjugated monoclonal antibodies. In this type of antibodies, some chemotherapeutic agent and radioactive agents are attached with it. The example of this type of antibodies is ivritomumab. And then bispecific monoclonal antibodies. In this type of antibodies, there are mainly two parts from two types or different types of proteins. The example of bispecific monoclonal antibodies is blinatumomab. Now the mechanism of monoclonal antibodies. Mainly monoclonal antibodies works by identifying a specific protein. A specific monoclonal antibodies identify a specific types of protein. So different types of monoclonal antibodies are responsible for the restriction or against different types of cancer or tumor cells. And the monoclonal antibodies works by this mechanism. It restricts the specific antigens or proteins. Now the use of monoclonal antibodies. There are many applications of monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies have many uses in medical research, medical diagnosis, treatment, and in research program. Now we have mentioned some use of monoclonal antibodies. Mainly monoclonal antibodies are used for the identification of phenotypic marker. It is also used for the diagnosis of infectious disease and many types of disease. It is also used for identification of tumor cell, and it is used for the identification of cell surface and surface secreted methods. A advanced method for monoclonal antibodies is used in therapeutically. An example of it is that some monoclonal antibodies works against tumor necrosis factor cell, which used to treat rheumatoid arthritis and some type of inflammation. And there are also many types of treatment against cancer in monoclonal antibodies, and some are also in trial. Now this is all about my presentation. Thank you.